In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add captions to your videos using CapCut on PC. First, open CapCut on a PC. Once it's open, import your video file. Now drag that file into the editing timeline. Next, head up to the top tab menu in the CapCut and click on the Captions button. Now click on this drop down for the language and select it. Then click on Generate. With this, the caption will be generated for this video. Now you can click on this option for templates. With that, you're going to find tons of caption options. You'll see some 20 pre-designed templates that will make your captions look much better. Click on a desired template and your captions will just look like that. You'll notice a huge difference in the appearance of your captions. This is a pro feature of CapCut, but it's affordable and totally worth it. You can also customize each caption box by clicking on it and editing the text if needed. However, the audio captions feature is pretty accurate, so you probably won't need to make any adjustments. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.